Are you a blogger looking to turn your passion for writing into a profitable venture? If so, you've come to the right place. Blogging has become a popular way for people to express their thoughts, share their expertise, and connect with others online. And the best part? You can earn money from it too. In this script, we'll explore some of the most popular and effective methods to monetize your blog, so you can turn your hobby into a profitable business. So, let's dive in. 1. Advertising. As I mentioned earlier, advertising is one of the most common ways to monetize a blog. While Google AdSense is the most popular platform for placing ads on your blog, there are other ad networks such as Mediavine and AdThrive that offer higher payouts for bloggers with larger audiences. One important tip to remember when it comes to advertising is to strike a balance between the number of ads on your blog and the user experience. Too many ads can turn off readers and make your blog look spammy. It's also important to make sure the ads are relevant to your audience and niche. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another popular way to earn money from blogging. When choosing products to promote as an affiliate, it's important to choose products that are relevant to your audience and align with your blog's niche. Another important factor to consider when it comes to affiliate marketing is disclosure. The FTC requires bloggers to disclose when they're promoting products as an affiliate, so make sure you're upfront and transparent with your audience about your affiliate relationships. To maximize your earnings as an affiliate, it's also important to diversify the products you promote. Don't rely on just one affiliate program, but instead, explore different networks and products to promote. 3. Sponsored content. Sponsored content is a great way to earn money from your blog while also providing value to your readers. When working with brands for sponsored content, it's important to make sure the content aligns with your blog's niche and values. You don't want to promote products or services that don't resonate with your audience. It's also important to negotiate fair compensation for your sponsored content. Don't sell yourself short, but also be realistic about the value you can provide to the brand. Finally, make sure you're transparent with your audience about sponsored content. FTC guidelines require bloggers to disclose when they're working with a brand on sponsored content, so be sure to include a disclaimer in your post. 4. Digital products. Creating and selling your own digital products is another way to earn money from blogging. When creating digital products, it's important to identify your audience's needs and pain points. By creating products that solve their problems or fulfill their needs, you'll be more likely to attract buyers and earn higher profits. One important tip to remember when it comes to digital products is to price them appropriately. Don't undervalue your products, but also make sure they're priced competitively and provide value to your audience. It's also important to promote your digital products effectively. Use social media, email marketing, and other channels to reach your audience and promote your products. 5. Freelance writing. Using your blog as a portfolio to attract freelance writing clients can be another way to earn money from blogging. To attract freelance writing clients, it's important to showcase your writing skills and expertise on your blog. One tip for attracting freelance writing clients is to network with other writers and bloggers in your niche. This can help you build relationships and get referrals for writing opportunities. It's also important to set fair rates for your freelance writing services. Do some research to see what other writers in your niche are charging, and price your services accordingly. 6. Selling physical products. Selling physical products related to your blog's niche can be another way to earn money from blogging. If you have a food blog, for example, you could sell kitchen gadgets, cookbooks, or other culinary products. When it comes to selling physical products, it's important to choose high-quality products that align with your blog's niche and values. You also want to make sure your pricing is competitive and provides value to your customers. Another important factor to consider when selling physical products is fulfillment. You'll need to either handle the fulfillment process yourself or partner with a third-party fulfillment service. Finally, make sure to promote your products effectively. Use social media, email marketing, and other channels to reach your audience and promote your products. Is competitive and provides value to your customers. Another important factor to consider when selling physical products is fulfillment. You'll need to either handle the fulfillment process yourself or partner with a third-party fulfillment service. Finally, make sure to promote your products effectively. Use social media, email marketing, and other channels to reach your audience and promote your products. 7. Consulting and coaching. Using your blog as a platform to offer consulting or coaching services can be another way to earn money from blogging. To attract consulting or coaching clients, it's important to showcase your expertise and knowledge on your blog. One important tip for attracting consulting or coaching clients is to focus on a specific niche or area of expertise. By specializing in a specific area, you'll be more likely to attract clients who are looking for your specific skills and knowledge. It's also important to set fair rates for your consulting or coaching services. Do some research to see what other consultants or coaches in your niche are charging, and price your services accordingly. 8. Sponsored posts and reviews. Another way to earn money from blogging is through sponsored posts and product reviews. In a sponsored post, a company pays you to write a blog post that promotes their product or service. In a product review, you receive a free product or service in exchange for writing an honest review on your blog. It's important to disclose any sponsored posts or reviews to your readers to maintain transparency and credibility. Additionally, make sure to only promote products or services that align with your values and are relevant to your audience. 9. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular monetization strategy where you earn a commission for promoting another company's product or service. You can include affiliate links in your blog posts or in a dedicated resources page on your blog. To be successful with affiliate marketing, it's important to only promote products or services that you believe in and that are relevant to your audience. Additionally, make sure to disclose your affiliate relationships to your readers. 10. Online courses and digital products. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create and sell online courses or digital products on your blog. This can include e-books, templates, webinars, and more. To create a successful online course or digital product, it's important to identify a specific problem or pain point that your audience is experiencing, and to create a solution that provides value. Additionally, make sure to promote your product effectively through email marketing, social media, and other channels. I hope these additional monetization strategies are helpful for you. In conclusion, there are many ways to earn money from blogging, and the methods you choose will depend on your niche, audience, and goals. By experimenting with different monetization strategies, you can find the ones that work best for you and your blog. Remember to always prioritize your audience and provide value through your content, and the money will follow.